In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a supported heel or calf raise on a step. So firstly, why would we want to use a step for a calf raise? So if you're somebody that's been doing supported calf raises just normally, the step here is going to add that additional stimulus, so it means that for you it's going to be a harder exercise, it's going to be a progression. It works the calves, so the gastrocnemius, soleus and Achilles tendon more than what it would do if you was just standing up. Now, the whole point of having something for support is someone might be rehabbing from injury, we've got a harder exercise, there's more balance involved in this one, so we can take away the risk, but also get the reward higher as well. So what I want you to do firstly is I want you to pop both feet on the step that you're using. It doesn't have to be an exercise step. And then you're going to place your fingers on the chair. And what I've got here is my toes pointing forwards, my toes and my forefoot is on the step, but you'll notice my midfoot and my heel is off. So as I come up into my calf raise, I've always got that chair in front of me should I need it. And of course, the higher the chair, you could potentially pop your hands always on this. You could use a wall as well if you wanted full support. Whatever's going to give you enough stimulus to do the exercise and take away the risk based on where you are. When you come up into the calf raise, you want to squeeze the calves as much as you possibly can, and then come down under control and repeat for your desired amount of repetitions and sets. So you can use a chair or alternatively a wall for your support during a calf raise on a step.